Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you a stupid simple way how you can make $100 per day online, you don't need any technical skills, any prior experience whatsoever, and anybody can do this starting from now, right here, today. I quickly invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. And if you're excited to see what's coming up, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can be notified every single time we launch a new video on different ways that you can make money online and work from home. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right to it. Now, the way we're going to be making money online is with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Essentially, you promote other people's product in exchange for a commission. Usually with a digital product that we're going to be focusing on, it's 50% commission. So our first step is we need to find a product and grab our affiliate link. So to do that, you can go to clickbank.com. All the links are right here in the description below this video, and you click here where it says create account. It's going to bring you to this page. You create an account. If for whatever reason they don't accept you, ClickBank, I show always this because it's the easiest place to get accepted, and you just grab your links and you can promote it. How this works is you get your affiliate link, I'm going to show you, and if somebody buys from your affiliate link, ClickBank is going to pay you that commission. They will pay you via check or direct bank transfer. If they don't accept you, just go to warriorplus.com and you can register an account from here, or jvzoo.com and you can sign up here. Okay, they're all free to join. Very, very similar in the way they work. All right, so let's say we are starting with ClickBank and we go here to the marketplace. So you click on marketplace here within your ClickBank account. You find a niche that you want to focus on. So for example, for this video, let's say we're going to be doing health and fitness. It's right here. And we sort by gravity, which is going to give us the most popular products. And to make $100 a day, we want to find a product either $100 or more, or let's say around $50 so we can have at least 2 sales. So you can scroll down. If you click on these, the video will open up and you can see what it's all about, and you can choose if it's something you want to promote. So for example, this one is $126, but every time somebody buys from your link, you're going to earn on average $126. Okay, so you can go to the next page. Let's just pick one here for an example. I don't know what these offers are. Okay, you should do a little bit of research to make sure that they're good products. Let's say the truth about the ketogenic diet. So you click on that. And there's your sales video. Okay, if somebody buys, you earn a commission. You just click on promote here. You click on create. You copy this link. If somebody buys now through that link, you earn that commission. What we're going to do, because we cannot post affiliate links directly on most websites, we're just going to go here to bit.ly.com. The link is in the description. It's bitly.com. You can sign up for an account, or you can even do it even without having an account. So you just paste that there, you click on copy, it created a link for you. So if I put that on my browser now there, it will take us to the offer. Okay, so then we go to QUORA website. The QUORA website, if you don't have an account, just go to QUORA, as you see it here, .com, and just go with continue with Google, continue with Facebook, create an account, put your details, it's free. Once you are in QUORA, you're going to see something like this. So QUORA is basically a question and answer website where people ask a question and others answer, and they get upvoted. So the answer with the most upvotes is going to rank the first position and it's going to get the most traffic. So basically this guy is asking, is the cryptocurrency Bitcoin a good idea? And if I click on that, it's going to open up and you're going to see that people have started replying. This one got 92 upvotes. So this question, this reply got 22.9 thousand views and 92 upvotes. So if this guy had a link here, he's got a link to his website or whatever, he would get a ton of free traffic. That's 22,000 views. Here's an example of just one buy I did. Can I get paid to watch videos? And I said, you definitely can, blah, 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 blah. And I'm linking to one of my videos. Now this post is just a free post, got 3.7 thousand views. So not bad at all. And I just put my link there to my video, and this video overall got 197,000 views. So here you can see that I've used QUORA to promote one of my videos, but you can use it, and instead of putting a link to your video or whatever, you can post your affiliate link. Now, the key to being successful with QUORA is that you want to reply as fast as possible to new questions. So more people are going to see your reply, and you're going to start getting the upvotes faster because you're going to be the first one who replies. So how do we do that? So we go to Google here and we type site:/quora.com. So we're telling Google to search site, the QUORA.com website, plus we're going to put here quotes and a related keyword to our niche. So for example, we can say lose weight, and we close the quotes. So I'm going to do a search, and now here you can see that QUORA, Google give us all the searches on QUORA. Now we're going to go then to tools. Here where it says anytime, I'm going to just click on that, and I'm going to say the past 24 hours. So we have the latest one. So it says, what is weight of the body at the center of the earth? Not really related. What is the ideal time to have green tea? What is holding me back? What is the minimum number of people? Okay, so these are not really related. So we're going to search for the past week. How to lose weight from 80 to 65. That looks interesting. We're going to open that up. There are already 16 answers here. We can still play with this one. This one's got, the top answer now has 3 upvotes, so it's still quite new with 757 views. So if I want to answer, I just click here where it says answer, and I'm going to type my answer right there. So I'm going to type whatever it is, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to QUORA here, and I'm going to paste that there. All right, so you see, as soon as I put the link, it also changes it to the name. So the key here to making this thing work for you is that you have to provide value. You don't want to spam. You don't want to say you want to lose 80 weight, just click here. That's spam. QUORA is going to ban you, okay, for sure. You need to take some time and give a nice answer, and it's not that hard to do. You can just browse a few blogs on Google, how to lose weight. You can grab a few tips. You want to give an original answer, unique. You don't want to just copy something for obvious reasons. So just change a little bit the wording, give something of great value, and just post your link there. So for example, this, you give them a great answer and you can tell them, try this product. It's really helpful, it's really helped me, or whatever, if you tried it. Make sure that it is a good product. Okay, do a little bit of research first. This is just an example. I grabbed it randomly. But the key thing is to provide value. If you provide value and you give a great product, you can get a ton of free traffic, and people clicking on your link. The traffic that you're going to be getting to your affiliate links is extremely targeted. It's not just any old traffic. It's people who want to lose weight. Okay, really targeted traffic. And the website QUORA is getting so much traffic that you're going to get a ton of clicks to your affiliate link, and a percentage of them are going to buy. Once they click on that link and they buy, you're going to see a commission in your ClickBank account, and then ClickBank is going to send you the money via a check or direct bank transfer. So that's it with this method. Really simple, straight to the point. If you got any value from this video, don't forget, please, to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can be notified every single time we launch a new video on different ways that you can make money online and earn from home. And don't forget, before you leave, to click on that link right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you. And looking forward to seeing you on our next video. All the best to you. Bye-bye.